In this video, we are headed to Branson, Missouri, and for our first time, we'll be staying at the beautiful and accommodating Stillwaters Resort while we explore Branson, enjoy fun attractions, and of course, play some mini golf. Will the rain stop us from having a great time? Well, stay tuned and find out. Well, good morning. It is a beautiful morning in Oklahoma, and today we are gearing up to go to Branson, Missouri. Branson, Missouri, to spend Memorial Day weekend hanging out, having some fun. We're staying at Stillwaters Lakefront Resort. Really cool place. It has pools, and it has mini golf and paddle boats and all sorts of cool things. The uncool thing is that it's forecasted that there's gonna be a lot of rain this weekend, so who knows what's gonna happen. We're still in for it. We're gonna expect to make some great memories and just have fun, but it could be a little bit different than we expected it to be, for sure. Right, Pepper? Pepper doesn't get to go. Oh, Pepper. We're going to have fun nonetheless. It's going to be a great time. We're looking forward to it. So, we got to get packed. Got to get ready to go and get on the road to enjoy some Branson, Missouri rain. Here we come. And we are on the road, already trying to outrun storms, but the ETA is looking great. 6 o'clock. This is great because Katie and I were pretty convinced that this was a 4-hour drive, and turns out it's 3 hours. So we feel like we've been gifted an hour and feeling pretty good. So looking forward to getting there and getting settled in and seeing what is in store for us. Can't wait. All right, we're all moved in.
There's no trash.
And
It's in here.
who wants to go get some pizza?
Woohoo! We're right next door to the pizza place, and it smells amazing.
Right next door to the pizza place. By the end of it, we're gonna be hating the smell of pizza, I bet.
What are cane poles?
Cane poles are fishing poles.
Ah.
Yeah. While our pizzas were in the kitchen, we took a lap around the resort to explore and get a lay of the land. I gotta go play some hoops. Gotta hoop it up.
Yeah.
Cheese pull. How's the cheese pizza there, Baker Boo?
I'd say.
Wow, very.
Hot. That's how it is.
It's hot.
And good.
Hot and good.
You gotta revere.
Good and hot.
Wash it down.
This is what we're dealing with. How is it, fish? Tastes good? Alright. Look at this view. You can't beat this view.
Look, that is giant. Kaka! No. That thing is like mega size. That thing is like mega size.
I just need to lay down. I was going to prepare for it.
What?
And all of it.
Alright, well, we are in the hotel room after eating delicious pizza. We went outside to swim, and right as we got outside to get in the pool, the staff started closing up the pools. All the pools. Because lightning was coming. So we came back to the room, and here we are playing. We got Uno teams, and now we're playing a game called Quicks. If you've played Quicks, you know how much fun it is. So we love it.
So you don't really have any really
So
good ones.
we're just chilling out inside, relaxing, and playing some games.
No. You don't
Baker's playing a little bit of tablet.
Hey, bro.
Because it's vacation.
Oh, yeah.
It's vacation, and we're, you know,
penalty on
anything goes on vacation,
That's a
right?
rough-
Okay, so the big news
Eight
today,
is the number.
aside from us being in Branson, Missouri, Fisher got braces
Woohoo!
for the first time. Obviously, he's 9 years old,
Did you take your 8?
and so this is his first day with braces, and he's loving them. Absolutely loves them. Fisher, do you love them?
No.
No.
I
Give-
can't eat.
Give us
You
a
look
smile.
like 15 years older.
Wow, look at that old guy with braces. Are they sore?
No.
Yeah. Well, you'll get over the soreness. Good morning.
It's raining.
It is raining. It looks like it's going to rain all morning. And then we're going to go see David at the Sight and Sound Theater this afternoon. That's when it's going to stop raining. And probably pick back up late tonight into tomorrow morning. So,
So we came to Branson to watch the rain. The boys are handling it very well, though.
yeah, the boys are inside eating breakfast, and we're letting them do some screens because we would normally be in a pool probably or something like that, but we are not. Luckily, we do have some coffee and a nice place to sit and good company, right?
Ignore my hair.
Ignore her hair. Okay. Well, we're going to enjoy our morning and see what else we can do. See where else we can watch the rain. There's probably a lot of good places to watch the rain in Branson.
No doubt.
A lot of pretty places to watch the rain. We're gonna go find them. We are headed to watch David at the beautiful Sight and Sound Theater, but earlier in the day we took the boys to the Titanic Museum here in Branson. If you're planning a trip to Branson, please make sure to set aside a couple of hours to check this place out. If you and your family are at all interested in history or for sure the Titanic, you will love this exhibit. There is even an audio tour for the kids. So cool. We all enjoyed it very much, and the boys learned a lot about that fateful night in the Atlantic Ocean aboard the unsinkable Titanic. Alright, like I was saying, we are headed to the Sight and Sound Theater to watch David. This was one of the highlights of our Branson trip. Sight and Sound began nearly 50 years ago as one man's dream, Glenn Eshelman. There are actually two theaters, Branson and Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Sight and Sound takes scripture from the Bible, usually those stories or people you know really well, and displays them beautifully on stage. The theater is absolutely stunning and the staff also friendly, but the most impressive thing was how big the stage is. Actually, stage is because they used the sides of the auditorium for the performance as well. They had live animals and even a life-size Goliath animatronic that was absolutely jaw-dropping. We'll definitely be back to see the next show. Can't wait. Those slow grandmas that are like going way too slow in the fast lane, that's Baker right now.
I did what I wanted to do.
What'd you want to do?
I wanted to have fun and I wanted to be safe.
Have fun and be safe? Well, you did it. Look at these guys. These are about to go on the skyscraper. This thing is forever long. Oh my gosh. Look at that. At my age, where I'm at in life, there's nothing that would possess me to want to do this. And it wasn't a very lengthy buckling up process for this, which is crazy to me too. I would want like 4 or 5 safety checks. Horrifying. Goodness. Holy crap, man. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's exciting. Not as exciting as this though. Look at this. Mom's in the lead. Passing, Baker, passing. Oh man. So now they go backwards. Now they're going backwards. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's horrifying. That is horrifying. Mom's gonna get you. And they made it safely back on the ground. Golly.
Stay seated and leave your seatbelt fastened until all carts are in.
Hey, get ready for Baker to hit you.
Please stay seated and leave your seatbelt
Oh,
fastened
dude.
until all carts are in.
Meow, meow. Meow. What'd you think, Baker?
Good.
You like the frog hopper?
Yeah, but the last one, my bathroom problem got solved.
Oh no. Who wants to play some mini golf?
Me!
Yeah. Black ball. have a little bit of a wager. The Fisher set the wager. The winner or the loser has to pay for the ice cream afterwards.
The one that has the most strokes.
Yeah, the loser, otherwise known as the loser involved. Yeah.
Not all 3 lose. Just the worst.
The biggest loser.
These boys have a lot of confidence, but they don't have a lot of money. So I'm not sure how this is all going to work out. I think in the end, we're going to pay for ice cream. That's what's going to happen.
Maybe Dad will intentionally lose the last hole significantly.
I would never lose on purpose.
So you have 1 clap. You have 2 claps. You have 3.
Oh, nice! I got a honk.
So what's that? 3.
It's gonna go! Take cover!
All right, the final scores were the boys tied
At 66.
at 66.
I had 46.
And what did I have?
39.
39. Well, wait. That means I win. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. No, guys, don't. Please stop clapping. Please, guys, you're embarrassing me. Stop. Everyone's looking at me now. Everyone's looking at me now. Because I won. Gosh. It's pretty cool, doesn't it? Are we being filmed? Do you think, Richard? The Oasis pool and plunge. All right, we are all fueled up with lunch.
Dollar General.
Some of us had showers. Oh my goodness, my wife just sent a cart to the parking lot. Hold on, let me go fix this for her. What was she doing? You can't take this woman anywhere. Okay, anyways, that's what I was saying. We are geared up and ready to go. It's gonna start raining probably within the hour. We are going to go to a fancy ice cream place, a local ice cream place. One of the rules that we have when we're on vacation, if we can, is eat and snack or whatever at places where we don't have access to at home. Anyways, we're gonna do that. We might hit up some old downtown Branson stores and just kind of see what's going on. What else do you do on a rainy day? You know what I mean? We were very excited to try out The Yard. While this isn't a Branson exclusive ice creamery, it was featured on the TV show Shark Tank, so the cool factor goes up for sure. The Yard is famous for their specialty milkshakes and ice cream concoctions, and we were more than happy to give it a try. I think it's safe to say the boys and mom and dad were very pleased with the whole experience, and the ice cream was so good.
Everybody says that there's treasure at the end of a rainbow.
Yeah.
Some melting treasure.
Yep, your treasure is ice cream, isn't it? How in the world did you get ice cream on your hat?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. Fisher Ryan, the most messy boy I've ever met. Oh my gosh. There are like 30-something locations in the US and growing, so hopefully one opens up close to our hometown soon. We now find ourselves on the always fun Branson Landing. This is a big outdoor shopping and entertainment spot right along Lake Taneycomo. It's got a mix of shops, restaurants, fun attractions, and of course toy stores, which you know we had to browse. We all really enjoyed the cool fountain show with fire and lights and music. The fountains are always running, but the big fire and music show is about every hour on the hour. After that, we grabbed a bite to eat at Joe's Crab Shack and called it a night. Good morning, fish.
Good morning.
It's raining again. Every morning this trip it has been raining. When we wake up and as we enjoy our cups of coffee. Yesterday was a great day though. Still turned out great. In the morning we woke up to rain. But it soon died off and we had a few hours to get, the kayaking done, the pedal boats, the paddle boards. Managed to get to a couple of pools. We found a hot tub to sit in. We managed to get some fun stuff in during the rain break. We do inside fun stuff when it's raining, and when there are breaks, we jump outside real quick and get as much stuff done as we can. So it's definitely been an interesting one. As far as Stillwaters Resort goes, overall, I think we're very happy. Very clean. Everybody on staff is very friendly. Even like the guy taking out the trash, they always say good morning to you, or hello, or anything like that. They're just very friendly. I don't feel like we have had the full Stillwaters Resort experience just because it's been raining and it's just been off a little bit. So it'd be interesting to come back, when it's sunny and we can hang out at the pool for longer and get on the lake and things like that. So that'd be interesting to do, but overall we're very happy. The room is great. It's perfect size for us. We don't need anything smaller or anything bigger. It's perfect. We give this place a thumbs up. It's a lot of fun. They've done a great job in making it to where you really don't have to leave if you don't want to. They have fun things to do. They have groceries here. They have pizza and food trucks, tacos, and things like that. So if you didn't want to leave, you wouldn't have to. Of course, with Branson being only 15-20 minutes away, you got to go to Branson. You got to go to a show when you're in Branson, right? You got to go ride some go-karts or something, you know, in Branson. So anyways, we give this place a thumbs up, and sad to leave today, but hey, we will be back when it's sunny and see what that's like. Right, Fisher?
No.
What do you think? Thumbs up? Double thumbs up. All right. Well, you heard it here, folks. Stillwaters Resort. Thumbs up.